Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is Tuesday the 23rd of February and we're going to see the price action on gold. So as you can see here already from pre-New York, we identify double bottom around 1830 and we see that at the New York Open we had a sort of a retest and price staying above 1832.5, which is PPL and strong 15-minute PSA. What we can see is that with the actual New York Open, what I was looking for was mainly, I had two main ideas. One was the buys at the retest, full retest of this level, 1832.5, or of course the buys above this previous PSA on the left hand side. So if we can identify it better, this was the last PSA, and this was of course the last PSA, last resistance, and this could have been the last retest. So as you can see, we have a very fast retest that I didn't see because I actually came out on the charts later than that. What we saw was the breakout of the resistance. So we have this very nice bullish candle. The only thing is that my idea, as you can see it here, let me show it to you. So my idea was already to buy above this level at the retest of this PSA 1836.2.5 something. But what happened was that I was in the Zoom call and I got distracted and I saw this when I was looking for buys. So I saw someone else's analysis and said, okay, 1837.5 is quite a strong PSA, so I should take the sells. So that's what actually ended up doing. I took the sells at this level. So you can see it here. These are the sell executed over here. You can see not even candle closures here, just no brain. And you can see here, this is exactly the entry at support, because as soon as I entered, I saw, wow, I'm entering exactly at support and I'm entering sells. So it makes absolutely no sense. This is because I changed my mind due to someone else's analysis. So as you can see here, I entered over here and I took the full stop loss would have been above here. I took like a 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip loss, to really just say, okay, yeah, I'm simply hoping at this stage with this price action, if you can see it here, with this price action, I'm only hoping that the price will make a possible double bottom, double top, and then continuation down. But the price is already showing me multiple times that there is not enough sells bias, sells liquidity, and momentum to go on to go back and validate. What is that? To validate the sell side. So especially after this bullish engulfing candle and the multiple failure to make a break back down, I got out with a small loss, and yes, it was quite hard because I saw my original trade idea play out for more than 70 pips up to the next 1843.7, which is the next 15-minute PSA. As you can see, 15-minute strong PSA, and then that's where I was. I shifted my mind. So I didn't take any other trade on this way up. It actually made some nice scalp, but I was not in a pre-planned analysis, so I was not really ready for that. What I was ready was that, of course, this is a double top, but at in 3 minutes there would be PMI data, which came out very good for the dollar. So I was in a bullish bias here with the release of the data. This is the double top, but it's too risky because of the timing. So the double top is happening and showing at 2 minutes before the PMI data. That could easily be anything, positive or negative, and cause any kind of liquidity grab. This could have been on the upside for the continuation down, so it didn't make any sense. What I was looking for was the retest of that. So this is the original trade playing out, as you can see. And then the second trade missed as per pre-planned analysis. Okay, this one was not pre-planned, but I was watching the bullish candle closing So this, yeah, this is a pre-plan. I already forgot about it. This was the pre-plan analysis because that's okay. If we break a retest 1840, that's where we could take some nice scalps. Let me see if I have it over here. The actual idea. Let's see. So this is the previous one. Let's see if I have the actual trade idea. No, not really. Yeah. Yeah, only here. I was looking at it for the same. I was already pissed off because of me failing to enter here at this level. The candle was really waiting and closing bullish, so that's where I should have taken my entry. And apart from that, this is the data showing you the strong improvement in the PMI data. And then my actual trade idea. So I say, okay, yeah, I saw it already multiple times. There's a fundamental catalyst. Let's bring it strength to the dollar. Let's see if we get a retracement of this overall bearish move. This is a strong 50-minute PSA. This is making a new low. It's breaking the previous PSA. Let's see if we have a reaction over here. That's actually where I took my trade. I saw this nice rejection candle and I entered here, and then I had my TP down here for like 35 pips, but I took it out at 20 pips here because I was seeing multiple rejections after tapping the PPL. So I said, you know what, maybe we can, this reaction that actually happened later could happen here. So I don't want to risk the 20 pip move just because I didn't want to wait for 35 when I could take 20 and get out due to this strong PSA on the left hand side, stronger price action. So what actually ends up happening is this, let me just delete this. So this was the pre-plan and was a win. What ends up happening is that we get a double bottom at this level, price continues up and then actually retraces up to 75%. I was not anymore at the chart. That's where you could have seen for the reaction like 17 pip move back down to the same level. That's a 60 pip range. This would have been a 20 pip, and yeah, if I was not at the chart, this would have been a full 60 pips and even more, because now what the price did was reacting at this strong 15-minute PSA, which was already on the chart, further sells. So of course now the buys will not be on the table. I would be only looking for sells. I don't know if this is even a 50%. Yes, this is a 50% retracement again. And that's where you could have got your, let's say like this. That's where you could have got your further sell scalps. And this is just back testing. This was a 75% retracement, like 20 pips. And now then you do this, you only need like a 15 pip, even less, down to the previous lows. Here, let's say it's a 40 pip range. This is the possible trade ideas as per back testing. And that's very good to know, very good to understand the possible retracements. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And back testing and actual entries. Let me just mark it up. Actual trade, actual, do it like this, actual trade plus 20, actual trade minus 10. Okay, and here back testing entry and back testing entry. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And yes, let me just take a snapshot of this for the gold. And yeah, the main understanding of today, if I review my journal, is that I'm missing some preparation part coming to the chart. I need to prepare myself mentally, and of course to do the prep analysis, because I need to be in the mental state where I'm ready to take advantage of the opportunities, and I have to use my own ideas, what the market is telling me, like here, what the market was telling me compared to what other people are telling me, and take my ideas. And this one was my idea, and this is just backtesting based on my trade setups. So I need to do prep work at the New York session open, the trust work, read my daily mission based on my previous days. So what do I have to work on? So for example, tomorrow I will have to work on this, so on the mental prep and the reaffirmation of entry setups and ideas, because I need to understand that I need to enter at the support, I need to enter at the resistance, I need to enter straight away to get the best risk to reward, compared to entering in the middle of the range, entering here. The sooner I enter to my level of interest, the closer, the better it is as per risk to reward and pure profit range. If I manage to enter when this candle is going bearish as per pre-plan, the risk is the same, the 20 pips is the same. It's just that I have more opportunity on the good side. The risk is the same. I can even get further stop loss range. Of course, now if I enter when the candle is closing here, is closing, of course the very next candle can simply go bearish, but the risk is the same. It's just that I cannot wait for all the confirmation in the world, otherwise I will just waste the opportunity. For example, if I waited more here, I would just waste the opportunities. Sometimes where there's low volume, that's where you can have multiple confirmation. You can see here, New York gave us was not giving us a lot of volume. So let me show you. It was low volume, so multiple retests, failing to break below this previous support. Now we have a lot of volume and we only have just a single tap. Best entry would have been at the candle closing 50% of the retracement, but it's just inside, I would say. Yes, we have a little bit less volume and we have a lot less volume. That's why we have multiple taps slightly above the 75%. Here the entry would have been here because of the confirmation of breaking below 75% retracement. Here of staying below 50, as you can see here, even here, if you want an entry at 50%, you have multiple candles to enter as close as possible, no need to enter below the order block. So yes, I had a pre-planned idea of buying, telling me I had a bullish bias because the market was telling me that we were in a bullish run, but then I joined the Zoom call and I saw the idea for the sales and I shifted my bias, and that's when I realized that I exactly entered where I should have taken a buy, not a sell. Am I weak to other people's idea? That's because I don't have enough confidence yet in my own ideas. The execution was better than yesterday, but I need to buy at support and sell at resistance. Don't wait for confirmation candles, but simple candle closures. That's also a reminder for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I see you, of course, tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys, for the next recap.